What's good, people? Today, we're coming at you with the unboxing. You know what we got, boys? Hold on, give me just a second. That's what we got right here. We got us the mechanicalkeyboards.com Vortex Poker white case, baby, with the MX brown switches. You already know the deal. We're getting it done, okay? But we're gonna be doing a little bit of a review on this keyboard, an unboxing, all types of stuff like that. So let's get into it. Enough of seeing my face. It's time to see the keyboard. All right, guys, let's get into it. Also forgot to mention, hold up, that's backwards. We got some rose wheel O-rings we're gonna be unboxing. P.S. I already unboxed them because I couldn't wait to open them. Anyways, let's get into it. Got our handy dandy knife here. See if we can give it a nice little slit across the top. You know what I'm saying? Hit them with a 180. Right there we go. So let's see. First thing out the box, baby. You already know we got that good packaging, bro. Look at this packaging. Oh my lord. That is sexy. What is this? Alright, hold up. What the hell is this? What are these? Oh, we got us some extra random keycaps. Hold up. We'll get to that later, alright? Let's get to what's important here, which is the keyboard. So let's take this and let's just throw it over there. Okay? Yep, sounds good. Alright. So, first thing off the bat, I can say the packaging is wonderful. Absolutely wonderful. But let's get a reveal on this here. Oh my lord. Wow. Oh my god. Mother. No, I'm playing. Yo, this keyboard's sick, boys. Look at that. Oh my god, it feels so good. It's so small. Look at my hand, dog. Look at my hand compared to this keyboard. It's so beautiful, though. Oh my gosh. Alright, first time using MX brown switches. Let's give it a click. Doesn't sound too bad. Not too loud, not too clicky, you know. But now that we got that done, let's open up these O-rings, shall we? Okay, so we got the O-rings here. By the way, I already opened them, so I know how they look, but it's fine. I'm gonna pretend like I don't. Oh my god! Look at these O-rings! Wow! That's so cool. And a keycap remover. Oh my, wow. And a duster. All right, enough of that. Let's get to work. You know what I'm saying? Let's get the O-rings put on, okay? So I'll catch you guys in the next scene. All right, we're back, and we got all of our keycaps here that we're gonna be installing on this beautiful keyboard here. By the way, Vortex Poker white case, Cherry MX brown switches. But these are some old rubber keycaps that I got off of one of my old keyboards there. I believe they are Tie-How rubber keycaps. I'll put the link to these keycaps down in the description. So if you want to go ahead and purchase those, you can. I'm gonna put everything, all the links to all this stuff down in the description. So if you want to go ahead and get it, you do your thing, man. But these were the 2 to 3 random keycaps we got out of our order. If the camera will focus. All right, well you see it, you know, you see it. It's just a plus sign and an enter key, and we got a black C. So that's pretty sick. Not sure if I'm gonna put the C on there, but I'll put the other ones on because I got a rubber C. But probably just gonna run a time lapse of me doing this, so hope you guys enjoy. Alright everybody, we back, and as you can see, having a very hard time trying to figure out this LED lighting. As you can see, that light just turned off. Alright, but anyways, overall thoughts on this keyboard. This keyboard has to be the craziest thing I've ever seen. Literally, like, I just accidentally hit a button and it starts turning red. Like, what is this keyboard? I don't know, I'm so confused, but I gotta read up on the user manual. But anyways, finished product here. Changed the 1 through 6 keycaps, the Q, the WER, ASDF, and C and V, and then of course the enter key and the backspace. I'm sorry, right shift and backspace. But yeah, overall thoughts on this keyboard, I say it's a pretty good keyboard. The sound, Lord, you can barely hear literally anything after putting the O-rings on with these MX Browns, and it's kind of crazy. I like that. I like that a lot. You can barely hear anything at all. Very quiet keyboard, very small and compact, and I definitely recommend it to somebody. It is a little bit on the higher price than for first time mechanical keyboard, so I wouldn't recommend it for a first timer, but it's great for somebody who's had a few keyboards or has been gaming for a while. I definitely recommend it. But yeah, anyways, I think I'm done with this video, and I'm gonna get out of here. So I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, comment down below, and hit those notifications to be notified when I'm uploading another video. I appreciate all the support from all of you guys, really do. Hope we can keep this rolling, and yeah, let's get it. Peace out.
Yeah, and pour a sip and take. Hey, yo, what the fuck is up, you buttercup? And that